Ay, na.
Ayan na,
Alright, the
ayan na,
game is
Bowler.
starting.
Okay, the game is
Bowler
starting.
serving, let's go, team!
Bowler serving.
Wonder Pets, let's go!
Let us see what is going on.
Ayan na. Drop serve,
What a
drop
service
serve.
by Bowler.
Ayan na.
Ooh,
Ooh!
what an ace. What
What a
an ace.
ace.
Really?
Bowler so pro.
Talaga,
Why is
nerd,
Bowler
bro.
so pro?
Oh.
Why is
Indeed.
Bowler
What
what?
a way to start the match.
You got an ace and
Last
a
one, yo,
net.
can you let me commentate for like 1 point? Thank you.
Okay, go.
Okay, let
Service by
Gibson commentate for
20
one.
clicks gets received by Breed, sitting the middle, but is a kid. Oh fuck me! I don't wanna do this shit anymore. Fuck you guys. Yo, what is
Yo, that's it. Yo, what?
Is that setter LF? No, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
Okay. Both
Yo,
setters-
that's sexual harassment. What you mean? Are they all pink? Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa! Sexual harassment. Yo!
Ooh, what a receive by Brid. What a ape by Jam. Good ape, good ape.
What do you mean sexual harassment? Their skin tone gives their skin tone. Yo, that's still their skin tone though. Yo!
Oh,
Oh, what an
Dark
ace
setting.
by
Saif, ape.
Mordia.
Good ape, good ape. Frank Ocean incident. Commentate TVN. Received by
Superpowers.
Helios.
Ooh.
Tempo. What a hit by Zuzu. Wait, who hit that shit?
Don't even think about Gibson said.
Oh,
What no?
Gibson said.
And with the right,
Fernando receives.
setting the Oppo Taka with the
Yes,
hit,
sir.
but gets one touch. Gets covered by Helios, setting the opposite. He's gonna tool it.
Ooh!
Oh
Shit!
my goodness! Oh my goodness!
Wait, delayed
What a
pa.
tool!
Sorry. Delayed. Wait lang.
Ooh,
What a wipe by Anando.
Oh, where's the commentator?
Blockbuster, setting Jam again. What a hit!
Ayan mo, tignan mo. Miss, sino nandito sa tawag?
Anando.
Legends ang
Bowler
nakakaalam.
receives. Blockbuster. Brid hits the mid longs. Dark sets it to Oppo quick. Tool by Taka. Blockbuster sets it to middle once again. Tooled. Nobody receives. Oh my gosh, 6-3 Wonder Pets. Delayed ba ako? Gano'n ka delayed? Sabihin nyo nga.
Oh, wow.
Oh shit!
What a hit.
Gano'n ka delayed ako? Paanong delayed? Super. 2 seconds. Okay na yan, mobile issue. Let's go mobile. Mobile team, let's go mobile team. Mobile team, let's go. Jam serving. QC receives. Dark
Ooh.
dumps it. Nobody
Wait, no.
receives that shit.
Yo, can we get... Yo, where's the excitement in this commentating?
Yo, it's mobile. Chill. Oh! Dark sets it to Toast. Toast tooled the shit. Blockbuster sets it to middle. Toast once again. Doesn't receive it. Doesn't even try to dive. I know this why his revelations pink.
Yo.
Dark sets it to Canon.
Boy.
Taka. Got blocked by the net. GG. Taka. Oh my god.
Wow.
What a ape by Dark. 9-6 leading Wonder Pets. Let's go Wonder Pets. Jam receives. Blockbuster sets it to the outside tempo. Bowler hits it. Taka receiving. Bowler receives it once again. Ooh, wait, was that out or in? Yo, move your
It was
hit logs. Okay,
It was
that
out.
was
It was
out,
out.
sir. Put it to the top corner, bruh. Oh. Blockbuster setting to Oppo high. Got received by Taka. Trying to 8. No. 8 by Jam. Oh. Lib gets it. Dark sets 10J play. What a dive by Zuzu. What a slow hit. Dark. Ooh. What a super quick. That's so pro. That's so pro. That's so pro. You're so pro. Helios
the
me. Oh, what a
fuck?
decoy by Helios. Is that a play? Nah, bruh. Is that Bowler just covering or nah? Is that even a play?
Okay,
Oh,
no swing.
okay.
Sleep, sir.
Bowler bump serving. Those receives. Dark sets it to mid.
Oh.
Ano? Pepo? What a hit by Anando. Anando stuff. What a... Serves. Drop serve. Hits the net. He receives it. Jump setting to Helios. What the fuck? What the soul swap? Blockbuster serves. Dark sets it to Taka. What a hit by Taka, bro. Taka, you tough. Taka's tough. 11-10 leading Wonder Pets. Side bump serves. Blockbuster sets it to Oppo high. Jump wiping it. Dark sets spike mode, but Anando short of stamina. Too fat, too fat. Too fat, too fat. Helios bump serving it. Libero gets it. Dark setting Oppo high. Taka hits it. What a hit by Taka, bruh. Taka no Kenny S. Taka no Kenny S, I call it. Anando bump serving once again. Blockbuster sets to the outside. Oh. Rebound. Oh. What the hell? Blockbuster sets it to the 10J play. Wrecked by I Love Travis Scott. Cut by Taka. Wrecked by Jam. Okay. Slow hit. Dark sets it 3 up middle. Rebounded. Dark sets it to the middle again. Blocked by Brid. Blockbuster sets outside. What a wreck by Anando. Dark sets it to tempo outside. Holy Rally. Sino makakatapos? Oh! QZ! 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 Bump serving again. Bowler receives. Blockbuster sets it to the Oppo high. What a line by Jam. What a line. What a line, bro. Good line, good line. Zuzu bump serving. Why is everyone bump serving? Another receives. Dark sets it to the Oppo quick once again. Yo, that shit is farm. Ay, may scream? Wait lang, tapusin ko lang tong set na to, tapos scream na tayo sa Venice. Wait lang. Finish ko lang i-commentate tong set na to, tapos laro ako sa screen. Taka serves. Not a pussy. Blockbuster sets it to Oppo high once again. Yo, what is Jam doing, yo? Jam, it's time to stick to quicks. Jam, it's time to stick to quicks, bruh. Jam is selling. No, Brid receives. Blockbuster sets it to the slide. Dark got it. Okay, what is that set? Dark missed that 8J. What a 8 by Brid. Received by I Love Travis Scott. 2J. What a hit by QZ. Revelation up 6. They come back that shit. Receive that shit. Blockbuster sets it to the 10J out. Dark sets 10J out too. Receives go backwards. What a hit by Brid. Dark sets it to middle. What a read. Dark sets it to middle once again. He did not hit it. Gosh. Wait, okay, sorry. They upgrade too. Sorry. What a serve by Jam. Dark receives. Taka Cannon. Bowler receives. Blockbuster sets outside or middle. Okay. They did not, in fact, get that over. QZ serving. Libero receives it. Blockbuster setting 10J out. What a cut. Dark middle quick. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Brid bump serves. Anando receives. Dark sets it to the tempo out. What a long. Where's the Libero? Never mind. Where's Brid? Those bump serves again. Blockbuster sets it to Oppo quick. Dark sets it to Anando. What a mid-long. Revelation up by 4. Good. Those bump serves once again. Nasias wreck. What a tool. Nobody receives. Gibson commentate when it's next set. A timeout? KZ Aries, why are you not playing KZ Aries? KZ Aries, why not playing? Aries Delova. Oh, is it time? Wait, why is Red here? It's Red Wonder Pets. Oh my gosh, it's KZ. They got the real setter now. Let's go. Oh, you got TC's defense. Okay. You're just watching while studying? Since when was Red in Wonder Pets? Bump serves. Toast receives. Dark sets it to the 3-up play. What a green by Anando. Fast ass spike. Razor pays me to do this. Let's go. Okay, Dark swing but did not hit the ball. GG. Wait. Taka hits Oppo high. Blockbuster sets it to outside. What a hit by Zuzu. Dark sets it to the middle. What a cut by Saif. Ooh. What a hit by Jam, bruh. Oh, pop. Oh shit, what a waterfall. GG Wonder Dogs. Blockbuster sets 2J. Read by QZ. Dark setting ito. Taka. Taka, what a cut! Yo. Oh. Urge receives the ball. What a hit by Jam. Received by Dark. What a hit by Taka. Over. Tries to 8. Wreck break. Oh. Ooh! What a ground set quick from Helios. How'd they do that? I love Travis Scott receives. Taka hits the Oppo quick. Mid-longs. Mid-longs. Arando bump serving. Zuzu receives it. Blockbuster sets it to Zuzu. I love Travis Scott. What? Dumped? Doug sets it to Taka. Yo, Taka! Taka Pro. Taka Pro. Baller receives. Blockbuster sets 10J play. They receive the cut. Oh. Receives go backwards. Sets it to Brid. Received once again. $20-24. Revelations leading by 4. Oh my gosh, Wonder Pets, what are doing? Another receiving. Dark sets it to QZ. What a cut by QZ. Good spot. What a spot. Okay, it's time to let the real main lineup come in. Wonder Pets. KZ. Where's KZ? Diyan na si KZ, let's go. Ay nako, Sara Diskaya. Wait, who's that guy? Urge receives. KZ sets it to 5 tempo middle. Over. Wait. That counts. KZ serving. The serve merchant. QZ gets it up. What a dump by Dart. Blockbuster receives. KZ sets it to the middle quick. Taka receives. Sets it to Taka. But what? Was that a slide? Okay. KZ sets it to high Oppo. I think it's time to stick to Oppo quicks. Yeah, it's time to stick to Oppo quicks, bro. Jam you done, bro. Jam you done. Setter LF? Wait. What? No, huh? Ref TO. J1, call the ref TO. Watch the clip. The ref TO it. They not sure. Just ref TO. Just ref TO it. Just CD. CD fast. Yeah, ref TO. Wala na gagi. Perms. Iksha, ref time out. Ano yun? Setter LF ba yun? Ay, wala. Ano ba? Sorry. I'm so laggy. Not commentate. What happened? What happened? What happened? I cannot commentate. I'm so laggy. Dark. KZ sets dimes to Bowler. What a couple. Dark sets it to Sid. Blockbuster received that shit. KZ sets it to middle quick. Over. Blocked by Helios. I need a burp. What? What happened? KZLF. GG15. Okay. KZ sets it to middle. What a hit by Helios. Dark does not set the ball. QZ receives. Dark sets it to high oppo. Taka wipe that. KZ. Oh, what a super quick by Bridge. Happy birthday to Gibson, turning 39. Time out by Wonder Pets. Are they gonna get clean sweep? Time out by Wonder Pets. Okay, Wonder Pet serving again. No swing, no swing. This time safe serving. Received by I Love Travis Scott. Dark sets it to a slide. What a tool. Bowler does not get that. QZ serves. Bowler receives. KZ sets it to middle. Dark sets it to high out. Over set. Dark sets it to high out once again. Blocked by Brid. Bowler serves. Drop serve once again. Dark sets Taka once again. Taka scoring machine. Scoring machine Taka. Sid serving. Jam receives it. KZ sets to middle. What a hit by Brid. Okay, once again counter. Okay, solid. Gibson, time to commentate. What a ace by Jam. Jam serving. Outside. Too strong, too strong. Taka serving. Brid receives. A little short. Sets it to the outside. Wrecked by I Love Travis Scott. What a cut by Saiv. Let's go, Nadia. I'm back. Bowler receives KZ set. Okay. Did not reach it. Dark sets it to... Who's that, bro? Tanong lang, sino yung HVCZ? Sino yung HVCZ? Alam ko na. Tanong lang, sino yun? KZ sets to Brent once again. What a mid-long by Brid. Sino si HPCZ? Sabihin nyo nga. Brid, serving. Okay. Dark set 3 up middle. Oh no. Almost. Unlucky. Net touch. Who's that? Apton Brid. Wait, that was LF? What? Iksha, Bano magrep. Ace by Nadia. Kabado 20. Oh, sorry. Nadia serving. What a ace by Nadia. Damn, 9-14. Revelation leading by 5. Iksha, react scream sa Benis. Ano? Di na magsaset. Ace na naman. 9-15. Oh. Save. I'm a burp. Dark sets it to 2J. What a delay by QZ. Yo, 9-16 is kinda crazy. I'm not expecting this shit. Saiv serving to Urds. Urds hit it to the line. What a long by Urds. Wonder Pets come back. Only 6 points. QZ receives it. Dark sets it to the tempo middle, I think. KZ sets cannon, but Jam is a little bit far. He receives. I'm kinda laggy. I don't know what's happening. Helios missed the ape. Yo, Helios, what we doing, bro? Helios, what we doing? Doing what, Helios? He's easy serving. KZ sets it to the middle once again. Over. Dark. Wait, what was that, bro? What was that? A careless ape by somebody. KZ serves. Sid receives it. Dumped by Dark once again. KZ. Oh, setting jam. QZ, bad it. Ikshari team mo daw si Danny, may barrier pa rin daw. Nagbug. Dark sets it. What a hit by QZ or Sid? QZ serves. Got by Jam. Brid trying to hit the lines. Taka hits the cut. KZ setting high Oppo. Got past the blocker. J1, what is that? Drone montage? What a hit by Nadia. Nanalo per set Revelation 2025. Parang ayaw ka namin ni Scream Kinyedo. Ano gagawin mo? Dark sets it to Nadia. Libero gets it up. Brid getting a slide. What a spot by... Naiiyak pa. Okay. Bowler serving. Dark pops that shit. What happened? A blagging? What a wipe by Sid? Liberals so fast. Oh, what a cover set! Wonder Pets coming back. Wonder Pets coming back. Let's go, Wonder Pets. Bowler serving it as side. Taka down tilting it. Casey sets it to the upper quick again. That shit was 2B. What was 2B? Okay. Bowler. HVC's receives. Upper quick once again by Taka. What a hit by Ertz. Oh my gosh, Wonder Pets come back. Let's go, Wonder Pets. Let's go, Wonder Pets. Come back, come back, come back. Oh shit. Dark sets it to the middle. KZ receives. Aped by Jam. Ooh! What a hit by Taka. Taka has been dominating this game from first set to second set. Wonder Dogs. Sid does not get his serve over. Nice try. Jam serves. What a ace by Jam. 3 more points to go, Wonder Pets. Let's go! Dark sets it to up quick. Missed by Taka. Miscalculated. Okay, 2 more points. 2 more points. Only 2 more points. Let's go, Wonder Pets. I'm kinda biased, sorry. Jam, serving. Side gets the ball up. Dark receiving to sets to the 10J out. What a super long by the outside. Hey, Taka, bump serving. Get by Blockbuster. Over. Dark grabs it quick. Yes. Blocked by Brid. Dark quick once again. Got it up. Dark receives. Okay. Travis Scott and Sai both pushed each other. What we doing? 2022. Is it gonna be 2025 once again? What a 8 by Dark. Like what a reaction. CB, 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 CB. Sai does not get the serve over. Again. Stop it. Third serving. Fucking lagging. Okay, 21-24 by Revelations. Is Wonder Pets perhaps gonna 2-3 this shit? Oh, 21-25. Four more points. Nice try, nice try. Are they gonna come back to 0? Bobonik siya, best of 7. Are you a noob? Best of 7, gagawin nila mo ano to, NBA Finals? NBA Finals ba to? Modern observe. NBA Finals ata iisip ni siya. Erd serving. He did not hit it. Bump safe serving for now. Sid gets the wreck. Dark sets a spike mode. What a hit by Danny. Oh, sarcasm ba yan? Sorry. Redo the match. But oh, ano? Missed the outside shorts. He just able once again. No cover. Sorry, mobile problem. Delayed. Danny receives. Dark sets it to high opot. Did it get reached? That was kind of reach. Challenge. Oh, he challenged it. Review the clip. Challenge. Oh. Ayan. Challenge ko na. CD1E plus 36. Revelation serve? Wait, no, who serve? What? Yung ano ginagawa natin? Crazy sets it to the oppo quick. Bump setting. Dark sets it to. KZ sets to the outside. What a miss. Iba na ba mag-call si ba mag Jam receives. KZ all by the middle. Yulia serving it to Taka. Saif cut. KZ sets it to outside. Dark sets it to Oppo quick. Dark sets it to Nadia. What a cut by Nadia. Good ass spot. Saif serving. Brig receives. KZ sets it to the outside. What a play. Back-to-back plays. Wonder Pets keeping up with Revelation now. Oh. One touch by Brid. KZ sets it to... Oh. I'm delayed, bitch. Okay na yung delayed. Hulaan ko na lang kung anong play ginagawa nila para hindi mo ang delayed. Another serving. Received by the libero. Isis naglalag na naman. Wonder Pet scored. Jump serving. Received by Pop. What a hit by Danny. Sino laban natin sa scrim pagkatapos na itong league? Taka serving. Zuzu. Casey sets it to outside. Bart sets it to outside quick 2. Casey sets it to 2J middle. But 3 missed. And they do not get the ball over. Fourth touch. Gusto ng CG eh. Mga palang-palo sa score. Casey sets it to Brid. Dark apes it. Casey sets cannon. Soft hit by Jam. Dark sets it to middle. What hit by Danny. Casey sets it to the high out. Missed by Erds. A little too high. Rezor, come up in stage. I invite you.
Tangina mo, support.
Oh.
J1 is making editing that out. J1's editing that out.
J1. Hey, J1, thank you for editing it out, J1. I love you. J1, cut out the J1, cut out the audio. Cut it out.
Malaki pa naman dapat yung file dyan. Okay guys, reminder
Napasabi
lang.
tuloy ng N-word. Ikaw talaga.
Reminder to all of the staff players that all payments will be next week. The Robux was delayed. So,
What about me? I commentated 2 matches. Do I get payments?
then fuck you, I don't know. See,
Do I get payments, Rezor?
Cure pays you.
I hate you!
Every
Cure pays
every
me.
me-
Okay. Cure, thank you,
every media commentator in rap is a bit it's Cure. Ayan,
Okay,
this is
Cure will pay me for 2 commentations. No, I did not say N-word 2 times in commentation. No, I did not say it in both. What a soul swap by Jam and Casey. Rezor, commentate naman. Nakatutok na ata mic mo sa electric fan.
Ay, sorry. na, sorry.
Yan,
Wala
okay
ko sa PC ko eh.
Okay na.
Mag-commentate,
Sorry.
tangina mo. Dapat mo na mag-comment.
Rezor, it's time to pay me. You're scammer.
Yeah, bro.
Delayed ako eh.
Oh.
Yo!
Bro, the payment's gonna be delayed. The payment's gonna be delayed for higher staff and then players. But yeah, pretty much. So pretty much I think
Magkano
media
Robux
ref-
kapag nanalo dito sa finals?
4K Robux plus 400
Rezor,
for
magkano yung
MVP.
price?
4K Robux then 4 plus 400 for MVP.
Paano yung distribution ng Robux?
Sa Roblox
Ooh!
payout. Sa Roblox pay.
Holy shit!
Sa Roblox payout group. As long as you're in the
Dun
payout
sa may
group.
dinagay mo sa announcement.
Yeah, there. Yeah, but like the Roblox is
Casey
delayed.
sets it to Oppo.
The Roblox is delayed because they're calculating the money because Roblox keeps changing the fucking terms of services of
Price?
Roblox. No. The price of every Roblox. So that's why it's delayed for a week. Okay.
Rezor, bayaran mo ako Please lang.
Sabi, I keep telling you, Ref Media commentator is Cure, not me.
Give me roll. 2 beses na ako nag-commentate, aba.
Shut up, Tito Le.
Ano? Hindi na tuloy nakapag-commentate.
Why are they not playing bowler?
Dalawang sets diretso naglaro si Fowler eh. Pinapasok nila si Ernst tapos si Zuzu.
Oh no. Zuzu sets the ball
Oh, no.
Give the ball over. HB
Wala yung
gets it.
power couple
So Nando,
si Casey tapos
Nando misses the line.
Oh. Yo, 1 point lead. Is Wonder Pets gonna come back this 2-3?
Wonder Pet surprisingly did not expect them to be in the finals. Oh! Wait,
Wonder Pets?
Yeah, sorry, bro. Sorry. I'm sick right now. You said you want me to commentate. I'm sick,
ka
bro.
ba?
Yeah, bro. I couldn't perform well against Revenants
Ah.
earlier. I was sick, bro.
Paano ka nataas sa Revenant? Ano ginawa mo?
We're not ready, bro. We're not ready.
Di kayo warmed up?
No, hindi kami sa warm-up. We were not ready of the schedule. Tsaka
Unexpected lang talaga.
Yeah, unexpected. So it's fine. There's 3 more games, so it's still fine. I don't mind. It's all tied up now, low-key.
Durog ba kayo ng Revenant o sakto lang?
First map,
Kaya nga eh.
first set, but like second set okay naman. Ano bre? I think we just need to fix service.
Pinarm kayo sa drop serve?
No, wala si Rai. Wala si
Puta
Rai
naman.
nun. Wala si Rai.
Ooh!
Pero
What a
service,
read block by Grid?
but like service namin hindi nila lagi napapasok. So it's fine.
Parang out of bounds.
Puro error. Error sa serve. It's fine. Bawi na lang ako sa next 3 matches.
Wonder Pets is leading by 2. Let's go, Wonder Pets! Let's go. Whether sino sa tingin mo mananalo dito? Revelation?
Dark,
Wala kang tiwala sa Wonder
to the Oppo.
Pets.
Taka could not get it. KZ sets to the middle. Never mind, to the outside. Dark sets it to the middle. Cannot. Covered by HB. HB gives it to Dark. Dark to Taka. Taka hits it. Short. Fuck you, bro. Ganun magano.
Rezer, bilan mo nga ako PC, Rezer.
Ano mo, may PS5 ka, Bet. May PS5.
Okay, sorry.
Taka with the jump serve. Gives it to the Oppo line.
Uy!
Could not get it. Jam. Cracking under pressure. We're back at all 18.
All
Taka
in,
with
all
another
in,
jump
all
serve.
in.
Taka hits it to the outside lines. Brid gets it. KZ, where is he gonna set? Oppo mid. Ooh, Loki not LF. Surprisingly, Danny gives it away. KZ to middle.
Uy.
Ang inang yan. Uy. Inang yan. Ayok. Revelation up by 1. Taka
Ano ba
with the
tawag
jump serve.
this?
Taka gives it to the middle. Jam receives it. KZ, Brid ape. Dark sets it. It's low-key over. It was a low-key over. It's an overset, but Revelation gets the point. Taka,
Wonder Pets
jump serve.
lovers, are we okay?
Taka jump serves. Gives it to the middle. Zuzu gets it. KZ sets it to the outside. Gets back, but receives it. Brid.
Pop.
That's crazy.
Oh!
Brid with the glide block.
Oh, Brid.
Yo. Wonder
Stop
Pets
the
down
pop.
by 1. Brid, where is he gonna aim? There's no libero on the court. Jam is in the middle, just being Jam.
Ang ginagawa?
One toss. Bumps it over.
Pinamigay ng bola.
The libero gets it. Dark sets it to the Oppo mid. Gets
Dark?
back, but back. Dark sets it to the middle. Danny could not
Dark
find the floor.
sets
KZ,
Danny?
Oppo middle. Bang! Jam.
Oh! Bang,
Jam finds the mid
bang.
long. The mid long.
Ayan
is
na.
insane for Jam.
2020 na ulit. 2020. All
20.
in.
Brid, Danny receives it. Dark. Where's he gonna set it? Set it up by Dark. Holy.
Abuse ni Dark yung spec niya, gagi.
Of course. I mean, we allowed it. Danny just bumps it over to the outside line. Is that Sylvia?
Hirap talaga kalaban pag may spec.
Outside, finds
What a line.
the line. Is that fucking Sylvia.
Oh,
Is that
si
Sylvia?
Ilios yan si ano,
Ang
Emitaryong
ilang yan.
kalbo.
Ang inang yan. Kupal ang puta.
Oo.
Nadia.
Oo,
And
oo, oo.
Dark
Ano?
dumps it
Go!
again! Dark
Si
dumps
Dark
it
Gagi
again.
troller,
Revelation.
brother.
Revelation
Caller.
up by 1. HB serves. Going for the jump serve. Where's he gonna
Ayun,
aim?
ayun, ayun, ayun,
It's
ayun.
Oppo.
Uy!
Jam gets it. KZ sets to the outside. Hits it.
Uy! Gagi, ang galing naman maglaro. Ang galing.
All 22. Can Wonder
Ayun
Pet
na yung
find
serve
it and
merchant.
secure
Let's
the
go,
third
KZ.
set?
KZ, let's go,
KZ
let's go.
serve merchant.
KZ!
He hits it!
Yes!
Oh my
Let's go,
god.
KZ!
KZ
It's time to get
surprisingly
Bowler in.
finding
It's time
the
to get
line.
Bowler in. It's time to get Bowler
KZ
in.
with another jump serve. Hits it
Ay,
up.
ay, nakuha,
Nadia
nakuha,
gets
nakuha.
it. Dark sets it to the middle. It's a play.
Oh! Good receive, good receive. Oh, oh, oh,
The
oh,
jam with
what
the
a
tip.
tool!
Gets it.
Oh, shit!
Dark,
Oh,
Dark.
no, no.
Ground set. Oh!
Oh!
Nadia! Nadia
Damn!
finds the cut! Nadia's found the cut, bro.
Nadia, stop.
That's my go.
Why is
That's my
Nadia-
goated Gakuran player. My goated Gakuran player.
Goated. High
Dark.
school hoops, Gakuran,
Jam
ano
sees
pa?
it. KZ to the middle. Still Helios. Why are you aiming mid?
Ayun na!
Finds the
Ay,
outside
naku!
Finds the line.
Wonder
Revelation up by
Pets,
1. Match
Wonder Dogs,
point.
babay! Wonder
Series
Dogs, babay!
point. Series
Tupi,
point. Dark
tupi!
gets it. KZ up to still outside.
Ayun na,
Received by
Wonder Pets,
HB.
babay! Babay, Wonder Pets!
Gallardo gets the line.
Wonder Pets,
Revelation is your
babay!
winner.
Wonder Pets! Ring check, ring check! Ring check!
Revelation.
Ring check.
Ring check.
Ring check! Pa-joinin mo na sila, busy. Pa-join mo na sila.
Please let them
Ayan na yung drone montage. Ayan na yung drone montage. Chimon, patanggal yung anong commentation kong N-word. Kasalanan kasi ni Renzo eh.
Revelation
Tinawag
is
ako.
your EPL Season 1 winner.
EVL is not gonna continue in season 2, GG.
The
Time to
two-stop
delete.